y'all. It has been too long time no see. But anyways, I look a mess. I just got the shower. Today, I'm bringing along with me to the water park. Me and my teammate finna go because the rest of our teammates, they went home because they live close. So we finna go to the water park. Yada, yada, yada. I'm gonna bring y'all along. For my swimsuit, I just got on black tops, black bottoms. That's simple, period, simple, but cute. And y'all probably see because I'll probably take some pictures or whatever, and I'm gonna put them in there. But anyways, so yeah, I'm finna go brush my teeth, wash my face and everything, and then do my hair, put my outfit on, and I'll bring y'all back when I have my outfit on so y'all can see, and then we'll be leaving. Okay, hey y'all, so my hair. Okay, so anyways, I was about to leave, but I forgot to show y'all my fit. So I'm gonna show y'all my fit, and then I'm gonna let y'all meet my teammate in the car. So here's the fit. Over the swimsuit, something simple, some shorts with some holes in it, and a crop top to tie around the neck, the 2 buttons for the hairstyle, and yeah, so this is the fit for the day. And yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all meet my teammate in the car. We finna leave, so y'all just tune in. But when we get there, it's finna be turned, okay? What's up, y'all? We just made it here. This is my teammate TK.
What's up, y'all?
And we finna see what this park talking about. I don't know these people.
First time.
Yeah, this is the first time we didn't been to this water park. Period. It look fun.
I ain't gonna lie.
It do.
We gonna see.
But yeah, we gotta see what it's talking about. And I'm finna, if they little phone thingies ain't too expensive, I'm gonna buy one so I can record when we go down the slides and everything. But if they too expensive, y'all just gonna have to miss out because they be tripping sometimes.
We
gonna tell you how it went.
1 through
we gonna rate it 1 through 10 or something like that, and then we'll record each other going down sometimes. But if we can get the thing, then we gonna record it while we up there. So we gonna see. It look turned though, and it look like it's deep, real deep. But we gonna get back to y'all, okay? Nah, but that's what she did. I don't know why every time I went down the slide, I made this face like I was finna be drowned or something. I don't understand it, but don't mind me. And it was at this very moment I knew I messed up by not holding my nose or something, because I think I was drowning for a second. For real. I don't understand it. I told you! Oh my gosh.
I started screaming at one.
That orange will go through. I told you. You hit that train, didn't it?
Yes. I said, damn.
Wait, that blue one though, it's fucking straight in the water, my nose. Okay, y'all, so we just went down. Blue and no, it was the orange. Blue and orange. Orange is closed. The blue one was open, as y'all saw, barely probably, but right now I gotta do the orange was worse. It's faster. But the blue one dunk your nose straight into the water. I don't know. Yeah. I can't breathe. Still can't. Ooh, no. It's a butterfly. I gotta cut that out. Hey, y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think about this water, because like looking at this slide, don't that water look a little yellow? But anyways, back to the video. I am so mad at myself that I did not try this. I want to do it so bad, but I was not gonna get on there and embarrass myself, and it was like more people back there just watching. Like, be so for real. Just no. Get somebody else to do it. Okay, the wave pool was by far my favorite part, but that's why y'all see so many clips. But like, they was totally lying about the height of this wave pool, because I was barely touching my tippy toes. And that wave came on, and we ain't even gonna talk about that. Okay, y'all can't really hear it, but this was so funny because the dude right there in front of me in the black shirt started screaming at these kids because he was screaming when the waves was on, and like the lifeguards kept looking like, I think they thought he was drowning, so yeah. What's happening, y'all? So we are at Tacos for Life.
We finna grub.
Like, let me just zoom in on the food so I can show y'all what we finna get into. Like, and this taco right here looks so good. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
It's fire. Oh my god.
ain't got no taco for life near y'all, y'all better find one. Y'all better go get y'all one of these. Better go. Y'all better run. Don't walk. Run. Speed. Get there.
Oh my god.
This is just unbelievable. I just. That's it. Okay, hey y'all. So it's currently 9:54 p.m. and I have washed my hair and everything from the water park and everything. So this is just me closing out the video, and I just want to say I hope y'all like enjoyed it, and I hope you share it, like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you don't even do the other two. Subscribe and share, you know what I'm saying? And I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and everything, because you know it's all my life.
Now you tryna pull up to my crib, I think you really gotta go.